Hello again, Cardinal Crew, and what a beautiful hump day it is. I'm Natalie Pollard with the Yeatman Group of Long and Foster, and for those of you who are our loyal followers that checked into our rollout video last week, you know what today is. Today is our official premiere day of Who Dat Cardinal. Today's lucky cardinal is one that I think a lot of you guys are going to be familiar with. She is one of our sales agents who has been here possibly the longest. She also loves gardening, her dogs, and her kids. So who is that lucky first cardinal that gets to expose all of her extra hobbies outside of the office, you ask? Well, let's see who this lucky cardinal is.
Who Dat Cardinal? It's Lauren!
Hey Cardinal Crew, it's Lauren, one of your friendly agents here at my house. You guys saw my video a couple years ago about some of the cool things that I do, taking eyeballs out and selling houses, but something else that I love to do is garden. It's something that I do outside of my hours. I do all kinds of stuff out here, try to make sure that I'm feeding the family one at a time, but I'm out here incessantly looking at my babies more than my children, I think, and picking everything off of them. But it's super fun and cool to be able to come out here and take some time to do this. I'd like to challenge our photographer to know what I'm pointing at right now and figure out what these are, but I've got zucchini, I've got yellow squash, I've got butternut squash, cucumbers, 3 types of peppers, 4 types of tomatoes, and hold on, wait for it guys. This little engine that could is my watermelon plant. Petunia, zucchini, fruit, peaches, oh god, sweet potatoes, because they overtook my whole yard and I couldn't get rid of them, and they're still taking over my whole house back in Charter Colony right now as we speak. Brown. Yeah, but I use those stuff full of chemicals because that's what makes them go so big. Miracle Grow for the win. Something like this. So something that you guys probably don't know, and a lot of clients have probably been talking to me on the phone while I sit right here, either watering the flowers or in the backyard, picking apart everything and checking everything. The coolest thing about gardening is that you don't have to have like 12 acres in the country. I mean, I live here in a small neighborhood and have a small backyard, and you can have garden containers to do the same things that I'm doing here. So anybody can garden. That's the cool thing. Since I was a little kid, my grandma did it in her backyard, and so she taught me how to do it. I guess the coolest thing is just doing something on your own and growing something of your own is actually pretty cool. And it's fun. The kids love it. They run out there every morning and go pick everything. I grew a 12-pound zucchini and a 10-pound butternut squash. And the funnest thing that I have is my dogs that are goats and eat all of my vegetables before I get to them. Water your dang garden. That's all it is. Just lots of water and lots of Miracle Grow. And just patience. That's all it takes.